The second method in numerical methods is modified Euler's method or modified Euler's method. Here also we consider the initial value problem and we consider the differential equation of first order and first degree. Dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y with the initial conditions are given. So in this method we need to find the value of x1, that is x0 plus h, where h is the step size here. So we first obtain y of x1 is equals to y1 by applying the Euler's formula, and this value is regarded as the initial approximation for y1, and usually we denote that as y1 of 0, and we also called as predicted value of y1. So how we find that y1 of 0 means by using this formula. So y1 of 0 is equals to y0 plus h into f of x0 and y0. So x0 and y0 value is given in the problem, and h value also sometimes they give in the problem. Otherwise, by using this formula x1 is equals to x0 plus h, we have to find the h value. Here h is the step size. After finding the y1 of 0, the accuracy is poor in this formula. So what we find it y1 of 0, the accuracy is poor. Therefore, we have to apply modified Euler's formula. That is y1 of 1 modified Euler's formula. This is the formula you have to remember. That is y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 of 0. Here we already find it y1 of 0. We have to use that value y1 of 0. Again y1 of 2 y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 f of x1 comma y1 of 1. So the previous value what we find, we have to substitute that value here. And next y1 of 3, that is y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 of 2. The previous value we have to use here. So up to we have to continue the problem until these formulas will be continued. Similarly y1 of 4, y1 of 5, so like that. So until the last decimal values are same. So last decimal means at least 3 to 4 decimal values are same. So we have to continue these formulas. So this is the method of modified Euler's method. So you have to remember what is y1 of 0, y1 of 1, y1 of 2, y1 of 3. So if you remember y1 of 1, so y1 of 2 is the same formula, just here the value we take is the previous value what we find. So we have to continue until we get the same value, at least 3 to 4 decimal values. So now, so here I am taking the problem. Using the they clearly mention in the problem, so which method you have to follow. So using the modified Euler's method, find y. Using the modified Euler's method, find y at x is equals to 0.2. This is the given differential equation. Dy by dx is equals to 3x plus y by 2. This is the initial condition. Taking h is equals to 0.1. So h value also they given here. So perform the 3 iteration at each step. So 3 iterations they clearly mention in the problem. So you have to do 3 iterations, means find y1 of 1, y1 of 2, y1 of 3. So you have to find the 3 values. Now how to solve the problem means, first write the given equation, given differential equation. Dy by dx is equals to 3x plus y by 2. So that is your f of x comma y. So what is the initial condition here they given is y of x0 is y0, that is this is the initial condition they given. Y of 0 is 1, means always inside the bracket term is your x0 and this is your y0. So we need to find, so here we have to find, so from the problem, so find the value of y at x is equals to 0.2. So we need to find the value of y at 0.2, but here they given by taking the step size 0.1. So first find the value of x1. So what is x1 here? x0 plus h. So by taking this step size h, we have two stages here. So after substituting the h value here, what is the value we are finding is x1. Means we are finding y at point 1. But the question what they asked here is, we need to find y at point 2. So in the first stage, we find the value of y at point 1, and in the second stage, we find the value of y at point 2. Suppose if they given h directly point 2 here, so there is only one stage. So if you substitute point 2 here, if they given h as point 2, in that case I am telling. So if they give h as point 2 directly, there is no two stages, only one stage is there. Directly we find the value of point 2, y at point 2. But in the given problem, h value they given as 0.1. So first find the value of y at 0.1. So for that, first write the predicted value. So this is the formula. First find the value of y1 of 0, that is y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. So y0 value is 1 and h value is 0.1. And how to find this value means, this is your f of x comma y they given. This equation they give in the problem itself, 3x plus y by 2. So substitute x0 place of x and y0 in the place of y. And what is our x0 and y0 in the problem they given? 0, 1. Means substitute x place 0, this term becomes 0, y place 1, that is it becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is 0.5. So f of x0 y0 is 0.5. So y1 of 0 is 1.05. So we call this as the predicted value of y. Now we have to correct this value by using the modified Euler's method, that is correct first y1 of 1. So find the first value y1 of 1, that is y0. This is the formula. So y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 f of x1 plus y1 of 0. Substitute all the values. What is f of x0 y0? 0 and 1. What is x1? Here the x1 is, this is your x1 value, that is x0 plus h. So by doing x0 plus h only you get the x1 value, f of 0.1, and y1 of 0 we have to take the predicted value, that is 1.05. So already we find it here, f of 0 comma 1. So directly you substitute that value 0.5, and f of 0.1 comma 1.05 you have to substitute in this equation. 3 into x place you have to substitute 0.1 and y place substitute 1.05, that is so we get like this, 1 plus 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.05 and 0.8 plus, if you simplify this by using the calci, this is the step. So by using the calci you get this value. And what is the y1 of 1 is 1.06625. Similarly find y1 of 2. What is the formula for y1 of 2? y0 plus h by 2. See the everything is same, but here you have to change y1 of 1. So y1 of 1 value we have to consider here. So here that's why we take in the same values here, 0.8. Just here in the place of 1.05 we have to take the previous value, what we find it, that is 1.06625. So this is your y1 of 2. So how many iterations you have to do means, until you get 3 to 4 decimal value. If you see here, this is 1.06625. After doing y1 of 2 we have got here 1.0667. So at least 4 decimal values should be same if you compare to the previous one. That's why do one more iteration, y1 of 3. So here the formula is same, just here we have to change in the place of y1 of 1 place we have to consider y1 of 2. Then you get here y1 of 3. So in the problem itself they said perform the 3 iteration, otherwise also we stop the problem up to here only, because we got 4 decimal values as same. Therefore, so whatever the value you got the lost, we consider that as y of 0.1. So what we find it is just first stage value, that is y at 0.1. So by using this y at 0.1, now you have to consider this as your initial value. that is your x naught is 0.1 and this is your y naught. And again we have to find x1 value, that is x naught plus h, that is 0.1, x naught is here. So new x naught y naught value you have to consider for the second stage. So we are doing the second stage here. So x naught is 0.1 plus what is h value? 0.1, they given in the problem 0.2. Now we are finding the value of y at 0.2. So the same formulas will be repeated here, but here while finding f of x naught and y naught, you have to consider the new x naught and y naught values. So same y naught plus h into f of x naught, formulas are same here, but the values will change. That is, what is y naught here? So y naught is, this is your y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught, andre means that is f of x naught y naught means x naught, substitute in the 3x plus y by 2. The function is same here, 3x plus y by 2. 3 into what is x naught? 0.1 and y naught is 1.66 divided by 2. So after finding y1 of 0, find the y1 of 1. So y1 of 1, that is, I am not written the formula, already we have written in the first stage. Just substitute y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught y naught, just we find it here. So in the place of x we have to substitute f of x1 comma y1 of 0, that is, in the place of x substitute x1, in the place of y we have to substitute the y1 of 0 value. So substitute here y1 of 0 value and simplify this. So you get the y1 of 1 as 1.1671. So after simplifying these terms by using the calc, so we get what is the value of y1 of 1. This is, again repeat here, y1 of 2. So same formulas you have to repeat, same y naught plus h by 2 into the f of x naught y naught plus, you have to consider the previous value, that is y1 of 1 value here. So only one term will change, remaining all are same here. So what is the value we get here? 1.1675. If you compare with the previous value, if the 4 decimal values are same, we stop the iteration. See, in the examination, so you have to do up to 3 iteration. So you may get same value or different value, at least 3 decimal values are same. So do up to the 3rd iteration in the examination. So again y1 of 3. So the same thing will repeat here, only in the place of y1 of 1 we have to substitute y1 of 2 value. So what we got, the answer here is 1.1676. So here we got 3 decimal values are same, but in the problem they asked only 3 iterations, so we stopped the problem up to here. So what is the value you got at the end? What is the value you got? That is your answer. Y at 0.2 is 1.1676. So this is the method to solve the modified Euler's method.